So I just stumbled upon this platform called Metorial, and it's like an integration hub for AI. Can you believe you can connect any AI model to thousands of APIs with one function call?
Wait, really? That sounds incredibly handy. What's the secret sauce behind it? How does it simplify things for developers?
It uses something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Apparently, that's the backbone for connecting AI models to external data. Pretty cool, right?
Absolutely. But doesn't that assume developers are familiar with MCP to begin with? I mean, how accessible is it for someone just starting out?
Good point. Metorial tries to abstract the complexities of MCP, offering a unified interface that's supposed to make it easier. It even provides SDKs in various languages.
SDKs are definitely a game changer. But I wonder, does this one-liner function call really cover all the necessary functionalities? What about custom needs?
It seems like Metorial is built for customization. Developers can tweak their integrations to fit specific requirements, which is a plus.
That's promising. Still, I wonder if there are limitations to that customization. Like, how far can you go before hitting a wall?
Yeah, that's a valid concern. They do mention powerful SDKs for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python, but I guess it still depends on the developer's skill level.
Exactly. And I'm curious about their approach to monitoring and debugging. How do they help developers catch errors in their integrations?
Oh, they record every MCP session. You can review them in the dashboard, and if something goes wrong, it provides a detailed error report.
That's actually super helpful. But it makes me think, does that mean there's a risk of overwhelming developers with too much data?
It could be a possibility. It's like data is great, but too much can lead to analysis paralysis, right? Finding the right balance is key.
Absolutely. And about self-hosting, how straightforward is that? Not everyone's comfortable managing their own infrastructure.
It seems like Metorial is open source, which is great, but running it on your own infrastructure can be daunting for some.
So they provide an option for those who want control, but it might alienate developers looking for a plug-and-play solution.
Exactly. Plus, with over 5,000 MCP servers available, finding the right fit for your application is easier, but the sheer volume can be overwhelming.
I can totally see that. It's like browsing a huge library. It's exciting, but where do you even start?
Right, and they have this embedded MCP Explorer feature that lets you test servers directly in the dashboard. That's a nice touch.
That sounds practical. It's like a sandbox environment for developers. But what if the documentation isn't clear enough?
True, the quality of documentation can make or break a developer's experience. Metorial claims they provide detailed docs with examples.
That's reassuring, but I'm still skeptical. Documentation can vary widely in quality and usability.
Definitely, it's one of those areas where they really need to deliver. If they don't, it could lead to frustration.
Speaking of frustration, what's their strategy for error handling? Is it robust enough to handle unexpected scenarios?
Well, they have error detection features that provide specific reports to help fix issues quickly. That's a good start.
That's a relief, but it also raises questions about how flexible their error handling is. Can it adapt to unique integration challenges?
Good point. Flexibility in error handling is crucial, especially in complex integrations. I hope they offer some customizable options.
And let's not forget about their tech stack. They're using Docker, PostgreSQL, Redis, and more. That's quite a mix.
Right? It's like they've picked the best tools for the job, but I wonder how well they all work together in practice.
Exactly. Integration is key. If any part of that stack has an issue, it could affect the whole platform.
And what about the developer community? Is there a good support network for troubleshooting and sharing experiences?
That's vital. An active community can provide insights and solutions that documentation can't. I hope they promote that.
Yeah, that would be a game changer. It creates a collaborative atmosphere that can help everyone grow.
So if we put this all together, Metorial seems like a promising platform, but with some potential pitfalls.
Totally, it's an exciting tool for developers, but they need to navigate its complexities carefully to maximize its potential.
And it makes you wonder, how many developers will actually embrace it versus stick with simpler solutions?
Exactly, it's all about finding that sweet spot between complexity and usability. What will the future of integrations look like?
That's a thought-provoking question. Innovation is happening so fast. Who knows where this will lead us next?